Hello kids, welcome back to Maths class. Today we will learn about the time. Okay kids, let's start the class. The short end of the clock is the hour hand. The long hand is the minute hand. The clock has numbers from 1 to 12 on its face. Then the hour hand moves from one number to the next in 1 hour, and the minute hand goes all around the clock in the same time. Okay. Now we are going to see the reading time. When the minute hand points at 12, the hour hand tells us what time it is. Okay, the first example is minute hand at 12 and hour hand at 8. So, what time it is? The time is 8 o'clock. We always write the time using 2 dots. Okay, let's see the next example. Minute hand at 12, hour hand at 12. So, what time it is? The time is 12 o'clock. Okay, let's see the next example. This has been taken from Anjum's class timetable. Write the time in 2 ways to complete the puzzle. Okay. First we will see the max period time. What time is it? Let's think. Here, long hand at 12 and short hand at 9. So, the time is 9 o'clock. Then, we will see computer period time. We know that when the minute hand points at 12, the hour hand tells us what time it is. So, here minute hand at 12, the hour hand at 11. So, the time is 11 o'clock. Then, let's see the games period time. What time is it? The long hand at 12, the short hand at 2. So, we know that when the minute hand points to 12, the hour hand tells us what time it is. So, the time is 2 o'clock. Okay kids, thank you.